Are you bored of your old tray? So here is a quick DIY makeover. Hi friends, this is Sonia here and welcome to GrowingCraft. Now this was an old tray and I just wanted to do a quick makeover. So here I have used my modeling paste with my stencil. Now whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. All the links are there in the description box. You guys can check that. Now once I was done with my modeling paste work, here I'm using my ITD collection rice papers and I'm going to do a beautiful mixed media and decoupage art. So in this project particularly, I'm going to use different designs of my rice paper, and this is going to be a good blend. If you want to check out the detailed video, it's already there on our channel. Now this is a quicker one, so let me go quickly to the next step where I'm going to stick my rice papers. So here I'm using my decoupage glue and I'm going to make sure that I apply this generously. So like I said, this is going to be a lot of mixed media art. So here I'm going to blend my different rice papers which I thought would look amazing together, and trust me, the tray looked amazing. So here I am going to use my different layering of my rice paper. Now whenever you do your texture work and then if you stick your rice paper, it takes up all the texture base in the design and you can see how beautiful it looks. So this is how I sticked all my paper, and here I'm going to do my color blending. This is one of my best part and my favorite part of doing it. I love blending colors and it looks so good and gorgeous. Now this becomes a little tricky if your rice paper or your decoupage napkin has not sticked properly. Now here is a quick tip. If you are using your decoupage napkins, then do make sure that you apply a coat of Mod Podge or your sealer so that it doesn't absorb your colors and it looks like a natural color blending. So here I'm using the shades of red, brown and black. All of these are the chalk paints and I'm going to make sure that I blend them in a way that it looks like a one piece of art. So trust me, when I started this, I loved the papers and I did not wanted to over shadow them, or I did not wanted them to be like so look so dull. And then I thought of coming up with this metallic look and this looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm doing the color blending on the edges also, and like I said, on the outer side I have done the texture work, so it looks absolutely amazing. So you can choose any of your color combinations depending on your rice paper or your decoupage napkins. Now here I am using my metallic chalk paint, and you can see the different brushes whatever I'm using. Check out all the different brush collections on our website at growingcraft.com. So this looks super gorgeous in person. This was looking amazing. The video is not doing any justice. And on the back of the tray, I am doing my black color chalk paint. Whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. Do check it out. So once I was done with the tray work, I definitely wanted to finish the edges and the back side of the tray because it is really important. We always miss out on that. So here my tray is done and it looks absolutely gorgeous and pretty. So here I am just going to seal it with varnish and we are done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care and bye bye.